Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access and a steady system. This matters because core counts can be hidden by permission issues. Open Task Manager on Windows or Terminal on Mac OS/Linux and check your OS version so you use the right command. Once done, decide if you need logical cores versus physical cores. Hyperthreading creates 2 logical cores per physical in many CPUs, and keep that distinction in mind as you proceed. Now you gather exact data. Open the Performance tab in Task Manager and read cores and logical processors. This gives both numbers. On Linux, run lscpu or cat/proc/cpuinfo. Those commands list cores, threads, and flags. On Mac OS, sysctl and hw. Physicalcpu and sysctl and hw. Logicalcpu return the physical and logical counts. Make sure to interpret labels correctly. CPU S often means logical cores, so subtract threads. Finish by cross-checking Task Manager, command line tools, and BIOS or UEFI system info. Consistent numbers confirm the true core count. If counts seem incorrect, update your chipset drivers and BIOS because firmware or driver bugs can hide or misreport cores. Once done, if results still mismatch, boot a live USB Linux to rule out OS-level misconfiguration. If the live environment shows the same counts, suspect hardware or firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.